Hey guys, just wanted to get out here. It's a Saturday morning, just wanted to clean my workbench a little bit. Kind of gets messy during the winter time, to be honest, and maybe want to put up some pegboard right here. Just we'll see. Want to measure it out and see what I can do here. Just kind of got all the tools sometimes all up on the workbench or in drawers and can't really find anything, so let's see what we can figure out here. Kind of stupid. I didn't think about how high I can do this. I'm excited about Christmas. Good looking vise here. It's a Yoast LV4. I think it's maybe 4-inch. Not sure where I want to put this yet. Somewhere right there. Maybe on the other side. I haven't really showed you my workbench. I've gotten some 8 feet by 2 feet wide, maybe a couple inches over 2 feet. But I put it on wheels so I can easily move it out away from the wall if I want to, or whoops. I built it last year sometime. It's been really great actually to have somewhere I can lay out all my stuff, where I can work on little hand projects, or if I need to set different tools down while I'm working on sprinklers or different wood projects. Did a lot of baseboard and built some shelves up here just actually a few months ago that helped kind of lift everything off of the workbench. But I don't know, it's kind of nice to have something like this. Some overhead storage up there. It's kind of a mess right now. I usually have Christmas and all of that kind of junk up there, but I haven't put away Christmas stuff yet actually, so we'll work on that here in the next few weeks. I'm thinking maybe sometime in the future have some sort of an outdoor shed where I can put a lawnmower or both lawnmowers out there, and maybe the spreader, the gorilla cart, so I can free up some space on the inside here. So you can see I have a space cut out for the miter saw to go in. So if I'm working on stuff with where I need to have a long board, I can have it flat even with the workbench. Nice to have kind of a flush surface. I feel like I end up using this quite a bit, so it's worked out really nice. You can see I got tool storage underneath. I've got a compressor, got a skill saw, got a Sawzall. Got a few different things down there that it's been nice. I know paint's there too. Shouldn't be putting paint outside. I never thought I would like the pegboard, but it's actually kind of worked out nice. These things come so you can put a shelf right along here. I might do that, move this, put the shelf along here. I can put some stuff up here. Let's see, I might do that. Got this extra piece of plywood, actually from doing that. Alright, let's see how this works. Might add these a couple ones for just support. Some good humic acid for the lawn. It's always good. So next level can be more easier to reach stuff maybe I use more frequently, and should still have plenty enough space for all my hand tools to go up on the pegboard. Woo. I really just want to keep it nice and clean. I don't like having a whole lot of stuff out there and it's just dirty. I don't feel like I use it, and I wanted to leave some space up at the top here because I got a paper towel holder thinking down to here. Just want to be able to have easy access. I always feel like I needed just another couple extra paper towels or something going. So let's see what we can do here. There's a lot of things you can do, different ways to customize or how you want to set yours up. There's no real right way. It's just the way I like to do it. that's pretty good, huh? Just rip off. It's actually pretty sturdy. I like that. I like it a lot. Sweet. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Next time I'm looking forward to showing you more around the lawn. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.